Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will see how the mirror and dynamic mirror command in sketch mode function. So that in dynamic mirror we can sketch faster in a faster way. So let's see. File, new part. This one. This is user interface. I am selecting plain white background and unit system in millimeter gram second. Okay, first we will see the mirror command. This is the I'm taking sketch and first I am drawing the center line here. I am drawing a simple sketch. This one, this one, this one, this and this one. Okay, now in the sketch you can go in the mirror entities, select R the mirror, left box selection, from left side, right to left box selection. You can select in this way and this one. All are selected. Mirror about this one is this way. This is the mirror command. Now we will make same sketch in dynamic mirror. How? I will show you. Cancel the sketch. Okay, sketch. I am taking this one, top plane. I am drawing a right, this one. Okay, dynamic mirror, you will get tools, sketch tools, and that is the dynamic mirror here, this one. You can also customize this command here. Right click, customize shortcut bar, and here is sketch. This one is sketch. This is you will see this is the dynamic mirror entity. You select this and drag into the command manager. This way you can bring. In this way you can bring the commands which are required. Okay, and I am hitting the OK button. This is the dynamic mirror. Or you can go from tool, sketch tools, and this one, dynamic mirror. Okay, I am drawing this one line. Okay, I am selecting dynamic mirror, and select this sketch. You will see two parallel lines comes here. It means we are in the dynamic mirror mode. I am drawing the sketch line, this one, this. You will see the I am preparing the sketch on the right side, but left hand side automatically comes here. This one, this one, and this one. Exit this one. You will see in this way, and if I am preparing the sketch on the right side, but simultaneously the same sketch is appearing on the left side. In this way you can make the sketch in the fast way. Okay, these are the relations. If you want to hide or show this relation, you can hide this one. If this is relation, they are very beneficial, but sometimes you want to avoid this thing, you can avoid from here. This is the view header tool. In view header tool, this is the hide and show items, and this is the view and search sketch relation. This one you can hide from here. This one. This way you can hide the relation. If you click on the line, sketch relation will come. You sketch this one, you can write. Click. In this way you can also hide and show the sketch relation. Sometimes it is very beneficial. Sometimes you want to there is too much confusion takes place in the sketches, so you can avoid it. Okay, you can hide in this way. This also you can bring from hide and show. Here is the sketch relation. Also here you can find out here. sketch relation. This one, you can hide this one, in view, hide and view, hide and show, view, hide and show, and here I have this one, this sketch relation, avoid it, okay, in this way. Or you can, this one, from here you can also do this one. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. And thank you very much.